Protect your beautiful furniture from spills with the Mighty Monkey water-resistant slipcover, the most absorbent slipcover you can buy. The slipcover features a multi-layer design which quickly absorbs liquids and disperses them throughout the cover to help keep your furniture dry. The premium suede top layers material is beautiful and ultra soft to the touch. The super durable underside is slip-resistant and helps the slipcover to stay in place on your furniture. It also helps to protect against everyday messes from kids and pets. Installing is simple. Locate the strap on the underside and attach the hook to the loop at one end of the cover. Carefully wrap the strap around the back of the furniture and attach the other hook to the loop on the other side. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply machine wash and dry as often as you need. We hope you love your new water-resistant furniture protector from Mighty Monkey.
Today we'll be showing you how simple it is to protect your couch with the turquoise waterproof couch cover. Once you've received your couch cover, remove it from the packaging and place the cover in the dryer with a damp hand towel to steam out any wrinkles. Drape the cover over the couch with the long tab facing the back. Make sure to line the corner of the back tab and the armrest tab to the back and seat cushions. Place the seat tab over the seat cushions and the armrest tabs over the armrest. Tuck cover into the cushions and smooth out the contour of the couch. If some wrinkles are left on the fabric, you can use the steam setting on your iron to touch up the surface. This beautiful quilted couch cover has waterproof technology, leaving your couch dry 15 minutes after a spill. The anti-skid puppy paw silicone print design assures you the cover stays in place. These covers come in 4 designer colors to match any home decor. We have covers to fit all your home furnishing needs. The turquoise waterproof couch cover is machine washable, making it a simple way to protect your furniture while maintaining your beautiful home decor.
Transform the look of your living space with the Sofa Shield Furniture Protector. It's constructed of premium quilted fabric that's ultra soft to the touch. It's a perfect choice for homes with kids and pets. Before purchasing, always measure your furniture to ensure a good fit. To install, simply position the cover over your furniture. We've included a 2-inch strap to help keep your cover in place. It helps to provide protection from everyday messes. Plus, it's easy to clean. Simply machine wash and tumble dry on low. We hope you love your furniture protector from Sofa Shield.